Did you know hackers can trick you into visiting a fake website that looks 100% real? In this video, we'll break down how phishing URLs are masked using tools like MaskPhish, and what you need to know to protect yourself. Phishing attacks are one of the most common cyber threats today. Hackers use phishing to steal login credentials, personal data, and even money. MaskPhish is a tool that makes these fake links look legitimate, making it easier to trick unsuspecting users. MaskPhish works by hiding the real destination of a URL. Instead of showing the link to a malicious site, the tool generates a masked link that looks trustworthy. For example, it can make a URL appear like it's from Google, PayPal, or your favorite social media platform, even though it leads somewhere else entirely. Here's how hackers typically use MaskPhish. 1. They start with a phishing page, often a clone of a legitimate site. 2. They input the link of this fake site into MaskPhish. 3. MaskPhish generates a shortened, masked link. 4. Hackers then share this link via email, social media, or messaging apps. The key trick is social engineering, making the victim believe the link is safe, so they click it without suspicion. Masked URLs often include familiar domain names and may even use URL shorteners or emojis to appear more convincing. For example, a link like https://paypal.com-secure-login.com could fool someone into thinking it's PayPal, but the actual destination is a phishing page. These links are dangerous because they bypass basic checks. Even careful users can be tricked, especially when the link looks legitimate or comes from someone they trust. Once clicked, hackers can steal login credentials, financial data, or even install malware. Here's how you can stay safe. Always hover over a link to see its true destination. Avoid clicking on links from unknown sources. Use a reliable antivirus or phishing protection tool. Enable two-factor authentication on your accounts for extra security. Being cautious is the best defense against masked phishing URLs. Phishing is evolving, and hackers are getting smarter. Knowing how tools like MaskPhish work helps you stay one step ahead. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cybersecurity tips. Thanks for watching.